The knitted cast on is a slightly stretchy, easy to remember way to get your stitches on your needle. It's pretty easy if you know the knit stitch, and one of the benefits is it looks the same from both sides. And there's an important trick to remember, which I'll show you when we get the hang of this cast on. So for this cast on, you're going to need 2 needles. Take your first needle and make a slip knot in your yarn. And unlike the long tail cast on, you don't need a long tail. So you can do it just sort of close to the end. And then tighten up and put that needle in your non-dominant hand. Now take your second needle and insert it as if you were going to knit. Take the yarn that's connected to your ball of yarn, wrap it around as if to knit, and pull it through but not off the needle. And you see this stitch that's now in my right hand. We're going to transfer that by taking the left hand needle, putting it underneath that stitch and putting that on the left hand needle. And now let's do that again. Insert as if to knit, swing the yarn around, pull through but not off the needle, and then we go underneath to grab and transfer it to the left hand needle. Let's do a few more, and I want to ask you, if you're finding value in these videos, to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Those actions really do help me out. Make sure these aren't too loose, because this technique does tend to stretch out if the stitches aren't tight enough. Now I want to show you that trick that I mentioned. So sometimes the first row of knitting when you're done with this cast on can look like it has holes in it, like this one here. Do you see those? So the way to mitigate that is to actually knit into the back loop on the first row only. And you can see what a big difference knitting into the back loop of that first row makes in comparison with just going ahead and knitting as normal, like on this one.